Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about the expression, the evaluation of expression. Okay. So in the last videos we have discussed the various types of operator, the evaluation of operator and all, right. So I hope you just understood that the operator and the types of operator and the evaluation of the operator. Okay. So in this video we will just see what is expression. Expression is nothing but the combination of variables, constants, operators and function call. Okay. So it is just combination of a variables, any constant number or any operator or a function call. So that is called a expression. Okay. So here example you can see int z is equal to x plus y. So x plus z is equal to x plus y, it is an arithmetic expression. A is greater than b, it is a relational expression. A is equal to b, it is a logical expression. Function of a comma b is a functional call expression. Okay, so all these are nothing but expression. So in this expression here you can see the variables, that is x, y, a, b, these are the variables, and operators are plus, greater than, equal to are the operator. Function call, function fun is nothing but a function. Okay, so these are nothing but the expression. Expression is nothing but the combination of variables, constants, operator and a function call. It may be any type of expression, arithmetic, relational, logical, function call. Okay. Next, so in this video, in this slide we will see what is the evaluation of expression. Evaluation of expression means the expression can be evaluated based on the operator, precedence and associativity. Okay. Suppose in a program, if there are a multiple operations or multiple operators are there in an expression, then which expression must be evaluated first. Okay. So if there are a multiple expressions are there, it may be there are one or two expressions or more than two expressions. So which expression will be evaluated first? So here expression will be evaluated based on the precedence, associativity and accordingly that the expression may be evaluated. Okay. So in this table you can see how the operators are evaluated based on the precedence, associativity and of course with the operators. Okay. So first one is parenthesis and braces. Parenthesis are opening bracket, closing bracket. Braces means square bracket. Okay. And always the parenthesis are having the higher priority or higher precedent, and always these type of expressions are evaluated from left to right. Okay. So if there are multiple expressions are there in the program, so the expression which are enclosed within the parenthesis or within the brackets, those expression will be always evaluated first. Okay. So that is the parenthesis and braces. Second is unary operator. Unary operators are minus is a unary operator, plus plus, minus minus, not equal to, tilde and a logical and operator. So these are the unary operator and the precedence is 2. And also you can observe in this table, so all the operators I have listed accordingly alphabetically or ascending order. Okay, that is 1 to 12, right. So third one is multiplicative operators. Multiplicative operators are asterisk, slash and a percent symbol. So the higher precedence is a 3. Additive are nothing but plus and a minus. Shift operators, less than, greater than, left shift and right shift. And relational operators are less than equals to, greater than equals to, equality, equal to, not equal to. Bitwise operators are logical and, logical not, logical or. Logical operations and or. Conditional operator, question mark. Assignment operator, equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, these are the assignment operators, and last one is a comma operator. So all these operators are listed according to the precedence, that is 1 to 12. Okay. Suppose all these operators are enclosed in a particular expression, and suppose if there are multiple expressions in the same program, so according to the precedence and associativity, the expression will be evaluated. So, always the expressions are enclosed within the parenthesis, and within the bracket those expressions will be evaluated first, and next unary operator, multiplicative, additive, shift operator, and so on. Okay. So, this is the evaluation of expression. Okay. So, thank you.